Next, 9.9, page number 327. Draw the cis and trans structure of hex-2-ene, which isomer will have higher boiling point and why. So, here see hex-2-ene. Hex means 6 carbons. Second place contains double bond. So, the structure is, so you will write the solution. Hex means 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second place contains double bond. Here remaining hydrogens are here 3 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3. So 1 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. 1 hydrogen. 2 hydrogens. 2 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens. So it is the structure hex-2-ene. Here it is the double bond. It is the double bond. So it is this carbon C and H. H is written in this side. Next CH3. CH3 is written in downside. H is written in upside. CH3 is written in downside. Then double bond C. So C contains one hydrogen. So it is the H. Remaining CH2, CH2, CH3 written into downside. CH2, CH2, CH3. Here see C double bond C. It is H written is upside. Remaining CH3 written in downside. Next this one hydrogen is written in upside. Remaining CH2, CH2, CH3 written into the downside. So in alkene same side has same group. So its name is cis butadiene. So this name is cis butadiene. So here the name is cis hex-2-ene. Cis hex-2-ene. Another one, by changing these two groups, we will get C double bond C. Here H. Here CH3. Next one, in this place hydrogen. On the top place CH2, CH2, CH3. So opposite contains same groups. So its name is trans hex-2-ene. So trans hex-2-ene. So it is the cis compound, it is the trans compound. But in trans compound, dipole moment is low. Dipole moment is low. So dipole moment is low. So boiling point is also low. For in cis compound, same groups present in same side. So dipole moment is high. Dipole moment is high. So boiling point is low. So for this solution answer is, so it is the cis X2 between trans 2 hex-2-ene. So the dipole moment is high for cis hex-2-ene. Dipole moment is low for trans hex-2-ene. It is the answer. Thank you. Please subscribe.